Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what Jesus really ate. We'll explore the typical diet of people living in ancient Israel during his time. This includes common staples, protein sources, and seasonal produce. Understanding these foods helps us grasp the daily life and cultural context of the era. Let's dive into the historical and biblical insights about his meals. The cornerstone of Jesus' diet was undoubtedly bread, usually baked from barley or wheat. This wasn't just a side dish, it was the main event. Alongside bread, legumes like lentils and beans were common, offering vital nutrients. Olive oil was also indispensable, used for cooking, dressing, and even as a source of light. These simple, hearty foods sustained daily life. Beyond grains, Jesus and his contemporaries enjoyed a variety of seasonal produce. Figs, dates, and grapes were popular fruits, providing natural sweetness and energy. Vegetables such as cucumbers, leeks, and onions added flavor and nutrition to meals. For protein, fish was a staple, particularly for those living near the Sea of Galilee, offering a rich and accessible food source. For beverages, water was the most common drink, essential for survival in the region. Wine, usually diluted with water, was also part of meals and significant celebrations, as depicted in various biblical accounts. While not an everyday item, meat, such as lamb or goat, would have been consumed during special feasts and religious observances, marking important occasions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.